Ugh. See, okay. Stay. Had a productive couple of hours, got some stuff done, made some good headway. Had to call it quits though, because the Detroit squad is getting together. We're gonna rip, it's gonna be a good day. Just ran into Best Buy, got myself a fresh camera and a fresh tripod, because as you see, this one is wearing out. Yeah, this keeps happening. Not good. Oh yeah, now that's steady. All right, let's do this. Last one to the squad's gonna blow a quad. What's up, man? What's up? Boom.
You're not the last one.
I'm not the last one?
Pete's coming.
Yeah.
Who else is coming?
We have some special out-of-town guests on the way. Get excited! Get excited!
Too much.
That's what happens when you charge off the...
But luckily I have a manual, so I can just push.
No, let's jump it off a drone battery.
You can do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
We're gonna jump his car with this and this. And hopefully it doesn't blow up. I think it'll be fine.
You think so?
I think it'll be fine. Yeah. Here we go.
Are we good to go?
Yeah, run it. Hold on, Jeff, you need to make better contact. So you're just touching the tip, like try and touch the whole like side of it. You know what I'm saying? All right, do it. What'd I say?
That's crazy.
What'd I say? Oh. Well, it's about time. Jeez, guys. You're trying to skip straight to taco clock. Come on.
What is up, dude?
What's up? Good to meet you.
How's it going,
I want
man?
a hug.
Oh, bring it in. What's up, dude?
It's so good. I'm so happy you guys are here.
Good to meet you.
Bring it in.
What's the
Flippities in there. Dives in there. Power loops there. Do all the fun.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you got like 1 hour of daylight and then it's tacos.
Let's do it. Let's get it.
Thing is a lot longer than mine. I know they say size doesn't matter, but I am feeling just a bit inadequate.
I hijacked your vlog. Taking over Drew's vlog. His vlog, I mean. Just so y'all know. It's gonna be Drone Doll 24/7, 365.
I got my clickbait for the day. She stole my vlog!
I know, right?
stuff is getting wet. Gotta go, gotta go. I don't know where my stuff is.
This is the best FPV video of all time right here.
Go watch it. It's just us cleaning up our stuff. It's just the rain. Okay, the rain sort of cleared up, but the sunlight ran out. They only got to fly like, I don't know, 2 batteries. It's their fault for being late though. Here, let me help you.
Please wait while your transaction is processed.
This is the most inconvenient parking ever. Even your bull, you gotta go.
What?
You gotta go somewhere fancy, so we'll have to wait.
We have guests, Jeffrey. I want to take
like
them
a White
somewhere
Castle
nice.
kind of guy.
We have guests.
White trashy.
Jeffrey, we'll talk about this later.
Talk.
How do the Ferndale tacos stack up to your expectations?
They're delicious.
Delicious.
This hot dog is like on another level.
See, in their vlog, they always talk about the food, but they never show the food. You gotta show the food. People aren't gonna believe it happened unless you show it. I'll put a link in the description to, this here, life hack. Napkin over the phone. Pretty good lighting. Okay, link in the description to Marty Flies and Drone Doll, the best couple vlog in FPV.
So, okay, that's the end of the video today, guys.
What?
I'd like
No, we're
to...
going to another bar.
Oh, it's not the end of the
We're
video.
not the end of the video yet. Kapow! I haven't, hold on, look at my alley cat, look at this gray squalor alley cat. They've got like a nice, purebred Persian, the hell is this royalty?